guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel। आज हम फिर से मस्ती करने जा रहे हैं। आज हम सुबह गए थे वेयर हाउस जिम, जहाँ हमने खूब मस्ती करी। मस्त जिम था, इतना बड़ा जिम तो मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा। काश इंडिया में भी ऐसे जिम्स होते तो हमारी शायद बॉडी बन जाती। अभी तक कुछ बनी तो है नहीं। ब्रेक इट। बबलू ऊपर सो रहा है और उसको अभी चलना नहीं था। बहुत ही मस्त सरप्राइज़ है, लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लग रही है स्टोरीज़, तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ी और स्टोरीज़ बिल्डअप करें। आज वैसे ही वीकेंड है दुबई में, तो वी गो आउट, लेट्स गो। वैसे सरप्राइज़ क्या मैं बता ही देता हूँ यार। चलो ये बता देते हैं थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग सा। हम जा कर रहे हैं, हम जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे हम लैम्बो लेके गए थे। तो अरे होबो के साथ, होबो आ गया होगा बिकॉज होबो बहुत टाइम का पाबंद है। मैं अभी 3 मिनट लेट हूँ और होबो का मैसेज आ गया, ब्रो वी हैव टू गो इन 30 मिनट्स एंड हियर इज़ होबो। सो होबो बाइक पे चल रहा है एंड मैं होबो की गाड़ी ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि हमें एक शॉट लेना है जो कि सीधे सिर्फ डिक्की खोल के आ सकता है। सो लेट्स सी गाइज। होबो भी आ गया है एंड अभी हम गाड़ी का रूफ टॉप नीचे करके ओपन जिप्सी बना के जाएंगे, एकदम सेक्सी। हे वो व्हाट्स अप मैन, हाउ यू डूइंग? गुड। तो अभी होबो का है जिप्सा सांडा। इसकी शॉपिंग देखी ट्रक का ये। तो अभी हमें एक शॉट लेना है, जो मेरे को एक शॉट लेना है, उसी से आएगा। I'm just putting my bag। उत्तरी तो वो पूरा कैंपिंग इक्विपमेंट लेके चलता है साथ। लेट्स गो।
रूफ नीचे करना है ना?
हाँ करते हैं, मस्त फुल पंजाबी स्टाइल चलेंगे। द रूफ ये बन गई कन्वर्टेबल। है ना? ब्लैंकेट्स। सो गाइस, अभी सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा यही है कि FPV हमारे पास आया नहीं है। आज हमें FPV ड्रोन लेके जाना था बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो मिला नहीं है। ना मेरे को मिला, ना होबो को मिला, ना किसी को मिला। सो प्रॉब्ली कल मिलेगा, देन वील टेस्ट इट आउट। अभी हम कुछ और टेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इट्स अ सरप्राइज, वी डोंट वांट टू टेल यू बिफोर। वेट फॉर इट।
Actually, one day I'm happy that we don't have FPV.
Why? कि गाड़ी
बैंक किया हो उसके ऊपर।
तो होबोस ग्लैड कि अभी FPV मिला नहीं है। चलो एक हिंट दे देता हूँ, हम एक बड़ी अच्छी गाड़ी देखने जा रहे हैं, उसको शूट करने जा रहे हैं। तो ही वाज स्कैर्ड कि अगर FPV उड़ा रहे हैं, वैसे पहली बार उड़ा रहे हैं, गाड़ी में दे दी तो हो गया काम। तो वी आर गोइंग टू द प्लेस जहाँ लास्ट टाइम हम होबो की मैक्लेरन में गए थे। दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड अननेम्ड रोड। अननेम्ड रोड ही कहते हैं ना उसको, क्लोज रोड। तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है, वैसे आई थिंक सबको ही पता है। अब इफ़ दे सर्च ऑन गूगल मिल ही जाती है वो रोड। सो एक शॉट है जहाँ से मतलब पूरा सैंड दिखता है। लास्ट टाइम गया था मैं। सो अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू टेस्ट आउट सम कार्स या खाली जगह चाहिए जहाँ पे गाड़ी लगा सकते हो, दैट्स द प्लेस टू गो। मैं लिंक भी डाल दूँगा इफ़ समबडी इज़ इन दुबई एंड इफ यू गाइस वांट टू गो। ब्रेक इट। बढ़िया सैंडस्टॉर्म आने वाला है। गाड़ी में पेट्रोल बस जाने वाला था। आई थिंक हम बच गए। वी आर ऑन टाइम। गॉड ब्लेस। फक। होबो को डर लग रहा है, ऐसे हो गया तो भाई ड्रोन कैसे उड़ाएंगे। ये तो आतंक बचा हुआ है। एग्जिट 55 जगह। अरे वो टैक्सी में आ रहे लोग भाई।
Well, the roads are nice today, man. Only a little bit sunny.
Guys, you want to see the road?
ND filter डालना पड़ेगा।
ND ये लो, ND देखो। ND। वाह, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा।
The drone's gonna get fucked in this, man. Look at this. ये देख।
Oh
Man,
shit.
take a shot of this. On है क्या तेरा?
हाँ।
इसको देख। Fuck. Guys, who come for camping are gonna get fucked.
दिख नहीं रहा।
Fuck.
धुआं सी है ये, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
The shot will come nice. I'm imagining a Bugatti, right in the middle of this.
So guys, this is the surprise. Oh fuck! This is the surprise, guys.
It's the best day. What's up, bro? What's up?
Hi.
How
How are you? इशू आई डोंट थिंक हम ये 10 क्या 50 साल में भी ये गाड़ी ले पाएंगे, तो जितने मजे लेने हैं अभी ले ले। हाँ। कैसे
अंदर आप अंदर नील डाउन करके बैठ जाओ।
नहीं पर ये आएगा ना साला बीच में, इससे थोड़ी आएगी शॉट। वैसे हम अभी जुगाड़ कर रहे हैं, हमने सारा अभी होबो अंदर का सामान रख दिया है बाहर। अब मैं गाड़ी बस रहा है अब हम यहाँ से ऐसे खुली गाड़ी में शॉट लेंगे लाइक दिस, तो होपफुली आ जाए बस, नहीं तो कट जाएगा बहुत गंदा वाला। हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, आई थिंक हमारा शॉट थोड़ा सा कट चुका है, बट आई एम गोना शो यू लास्ट टाइम बिकॉज सनसेट होने वाला है एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स लाइक दिस कार इज मेड फॉर फोटोग्राफी। सो गाइस अली इज अ कलेक्टर, ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ कार्स एंड ही इज अ कार एंथुसियास्ट, सो यू कैन फॉलो हिम इफ यू वांट टू सी लॉट्स ऑफ कार्स on Instagram. I'll put a link. And that's the Bugatti. Sick है, आई कैंडी है। वो नीचे हो गई गाड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो रही है, इतनी सी जगह है, इतनी सी। Awesome.
765.
Okay, let's do 765. The color changes, you said,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's do
In the light,
Let's do it.
it's got a changing color. Alright, so I'll.
Yeah, give me a ring when you're back in town.
Okay.
And then we'll.
Okay, done, guys.
Alright, Doc. See you soon.
ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं जैसे पता नहीं हम मिठाई लेने वाले हैं। अच्छा वो मोतीचूर के लड्डू लेने हैं नेक्स्ट वीक। So guys, we are going for a ride. अच्छा, I'll see you there then. हाँ, we are going for a ride with Ali. So I think we should कितनी मिट्टी है, let me जूते झाड़ लो। Oh fuck. So let's go for a ride with Mr. Ali.
Alright, let's do it. So, where are we going?
I think we'll just go till the end.
Look at this fucking. Oh, you know, it went in there. Can you believe it?
Oh shit, huh? It went inside the
thing. Stupid.
So guys, we just found out that this is a convertible Bugatti. Yeah. So the top goes off and then it'll look, I think, sick.
Yeah. It's too bad it's too windy.
It was too windy, that's why we couldn't take the top
There's
off.
a lot of sand blowing.
Next time, inshallah.
Yeah, for sure.
So what all other cars you have?
So I have the McLaren P1,
McLaren P1,
the McLaren 765 LT.
765. Oh, that's the same one that Hobo had.
So here the 720.
Oh, 720. So it's lower version.
It's the LT. It's a more sportier version, like for a track.
Okay.
Track version. Then I've got the Ford GT.
Ford.
You know the Ford GT?
Ford GT is only exclusive, right?
Yeah.
So you only get if you have certain Ford cars, or you have to be on some list?
Yeah, you have to be on a list with them, you know. So I got that.
He is on the list.
Yeah.
Obviously.
And then I've got the Ferrari 812.
Ferrari 812.
And then I've got the Mercedes E63S, which is.
Oh, E63S.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's also. So
Yeah.
what do you drive daily? What is your daily choice?
Daily, I usually just drive the Mercedes S500.
Oh, so Mercedes S500.
The new one, you know, it's got
I
some
saw
really
that.
high tech stuff in the.
It's a 2020 version.
It's 21.
21?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So that's a really comfortable fast car to go to the office and back.
So you don't like bulky cars like Gotham?
No, I have the BMW X5M.
X5M. Oh.
Yeah, which has got like 600
600 horsepower, wow.
Yeah, so that's also my daily. Yeah, so that's a really powerful car. Anyway, you come over to the house someday
Okay.
and you can have view and
Okay,
have a
inshallah,
look.
we shall go.
Yeah.
It's like an eye candy for us.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh no. Shit. This car is a beast. Should we close the windows?
Yeah, no, close.
Guys, this car is ultimate beast.
We'll let him go a little forward and then
Yeah,
I'll accelerate. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Alright.
Let's go. This is I think it's like it's faster than aeroplane.
It's pretty fast.
Oh, this is extremely fast.
Yeah. It can go.
That's why they call it the world's fastest car.
Yeah, the fastest. I mean, its top speed is 406 kilometers per hour.
406.
Yeah.
Have you ever driven? What's the fastest you've driven this car?
Not that fast. I've gone like 250, 260.
260. Yeah, because you don't have roads.
I mean, there's no place to go. You can take it on the track.
So do you take it on a track?
I've taken it a couple of times, but not so. It's not really designed for a track, you know. It's more like a. I mean, it's fast, but in a straight line. It's not designed for the curves so much. It's a heavy car.
It's a heavy
But
car.
yeah, but it's really, really fast.
What do you think about the new fastest car? I don't even remember the name. This with the
The American car?
no.
Yeah.
The world's fastest car is this, no? Which they have 3 models. It's from a Swedish company.
Oh, the Koenigsegg.
Yeah, Koenigsegg.
But now there's American company which is the fastest car, which is the Tuatara. It's the SSC Tuatara. They
Oh.
just
So they have launched it fully?
yeah. So
Wow.
they beat the Koenigsegg. So they are the fastest at the moment.
I think Bugatti will come.
But Bugatti and the Bugatti Chiron till a month ago was the fastest car.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But recently only I thought.
Yeah. And I think they'll go. They'll do something, you know.
They'll do something. Now I think I'm just we're just enjoying the drive.
Yeah.
We're enjoying the drive.
A lot of people out here having picnics in the middle of the desert.
We're enjoying.
Yeah.
Weekend.
It's a nice evening for a picnic.
So guys, in Dubai, after Thursday it's weekend.
Yeah,
Generally,
Friday is off.
Friday is off.
A lot of
Today's
families
Friday.
are out.
Everybody's
Picnics
out.
and
Picnics
spending
and all.
time outdoors.
And this guy is waving. I don't know who is waving.
What the hell is this?
Huh?
Well, he can go, I can't.
Shit, but what happened? This is not the road that we were supposed to go. That's the road that we were supposed to go.
Dakkan?
Dakkan? Why do you call it Dakkan? You have to tell us.
we're
Janta jana chahti hai.
we're childhood friends. Where do you think you're going? Man, you're real. That's why he's a Dakkan. I know why he came this way, for the chicks. You know, there's some pretty girls filming.
So he thought, let's follow.
Let's go and check them out.
Bobo will see this and then he'll call you. I think they're practicing how to fly a drone.
Yeah.
So our plan was to get an FPV today, but we couldn't get our hands on one.
So where is it?
FPV. So he billed me yesterday, but he didn't give me. So he's like, oh, now he's not picking up the phone because today is Friday. That's why we couldn't get. So FPV is the new drone that DJI has come up with.
Yeah.
So right now this drone was just going like this, no?
Yeah.
That drone, you wear goggles and then you have the first person view.
Right.
So you can you have a joystick like a helicopter and then you can just go boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
So
I need to get that.
You will go crazy.
Where did you get it from? Like, where can I buy one?
So on Amazon it's available from 10th of March. But you have to be careful because it's quite, somebody can get hurt.
What do you mean somebody can hurt?
Like you have to practice it here first because it's quite bushy. It's not like a normal drone with all the sensors.
Okay.
Here we have to go right. Guys, I'll just show you the road. And this Bugatti is quite low. So we have to be careful. Okay, Bugatti मजे कर रहा है.
I think it's alright.
Now we are back on the road.
I mean, I can raise the car up too if you need to.
So what's this? How many modes does this have?
How many what?
Modes.
So it has just basically two modes.
Okay, they're like a normal car only.
It's got, you know, the handling mode, which stiffens the suspension and it gives you more power. And then it's got normal comfort mode while we're driving. Actually, it has one more mode. It's called the speed mode. So you need to put a separate key for a top speed run where you can do 406. So let me give you a piece of that. Shall we?
Oh shit! Oh wow! And the brakes are also quite effective.
The brakes are pretty good too.
So you can do in 2 seconds. We can do how much?
So 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, it takes about 2.8 seconds.
0 to 100. Wow, 2.8 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, and you told me that you have so many cars, but you don't have a Lamborghini. You're not fond of it.
No, I used to have. I like Lamborghinis, but the problem with Lamborghinis is the gearing is it's still got its automated
Oh yeah.
gears.
Buttons.
No, so it doesn't have a double clutch. You know, that's the problem. It's not smooth shifting. It's very lurchy. It's got that automated gears. It's not a double clutch. It's a single clutch, automated. You know.
So what do you recommend? Like if somebody wants to buy their first good, like expensive car, what should be their first car?
Well, if you have a limited budget, I would recommend the Corvette.
Corvette.
I have one.
Oh, and how is
The
it?
new Corvette. It's got the mid-engine. It's really fast. It's totally worth the money.
Oh, nice. So if somebody is looking to buy a sports car,
It's very fast.
Corvette. It's in the budget.
Yeah. And of course, if you can go a little, if you got a little more money, the Porsche 911 is
911.
Yeah, it's always the.
Yeah, that I've driven. It sticks to the ground.
Yeah.
Chalo. So I think it was lovely talking to Ali, and we'll see him soon after his trip. Thank you for the ride.
No problem, buddy.
Thank you.
All
See
right.
you.
So we'll catch you soon.
Yeah, we'll catch you.
All
Bye bye.
right, cheers.
Cheers. ये हमारी Beast versus Sanda. Go! Yippee! और shit मिट्टी घुस गई. Fuck यार बहुत तेज चलती है.
Huh? It's nice, huh?
बहुत तेज.
Man, I'm telling you, there's no car like this.
फट गई थी मेरी. Again.
इसको ही देखिए spoils है. क्या नहीं है ना नहीं.
So मैं बताता हूँ. Hobo is camera conscious, but I think Hobo के साथ 1-2 महीना Hobo हमारे साथ रहेगा. अभी हम camera conscious नहीं है. I think Hobo भी camera conscious नहीं होगा. I'm telling Hobo to start vlogging because Hobo is a brilliant photographer and he has he has so many cool places that he goes to, and he has now he's a published author also. So I think he has so much to tell other people. He should start telling. You shouldn't be afraid of camera. बोलो, just start something.
That's true, man. क्या start करना है वो?
मैं just start
How was the trip today? I'll interview you. चल.
with.
What with अभी जो Bugatti shoot किया
Oh,
और कौन सा
हाँ,
trip?
मस्त आया था.
कितने ट्रिप गए थे?
नहीं अभी अच्छा था यार, फट गई थी मेरी तो. So he told about कौन सी गाड़ियाँ हैं, this and that. Then he said कि आ जाओ घर आ जाओ. Then
No,
I'll
but
show
he
you.
was happy now. Now he wants to shoot more. He said McLaren भी लेके आते हैं. And he said come home, we'll shoot his
Yeah,
cars.
he said come home, I'll show you. Then I took advice also कि अगर कोई पहली बार ले रहा है तो what should be the first car? He's like अगर budget में है तो buy the Corvette.
Yeah,
And he's like
nice.
अगर थोड़े से और पैसे हैं तो then you buy Porsche 911. चलो guys, फिर हम घर जा रहे हैं. हम यहीं से vlog end कर रहे हैं. Okay, bye bye, टाटा. Next time मिलेंगे जब next time कब? अच्छा next time हम next week
back 21st.
next week हम जा रहे हैं. नहीं next
अच्छा
next week
Abu Dhabi,
जाएंगे.
man. That's gonna be epic. Man.
Yeah, सरप्राइज होगा. वी आर गोइंग समवेयर. तो इसी के साथ हम व्लॉग एंड करते हैं. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक. होबो से लाइक सब्सक्राइब करो.
Like and subscribe to Travel with Arunay.
ट्रैवल विद अरुण नहीं है, सिर्फ अरुण है.
Arunay. All right. Travel with
चलो
Arunay.
बाय गाइस, सी यू.